What if I told you that a 67-year-old engineer from Scottsdale, Arizona, quietly rolled over $842,000 from his 401k into a gold IRA and now sleeps better than he has in years? Hold that thought. Because right now, wealthy retirees across the US are facing a massive dilemma. On the one hand, you've built up a strong nest egg, maybe a few hundred thousand, maybe a few million. On the other hand, you're watching inflation erode purchasing power, the dollar weaken, and banks quietly tighten access to your own money. And just last week, Goldman Sachs reported that demand for physical gold has surged among high net worth investors fearing a wave of stagflation. That's not a fringe move. That's smart money making a shift. And for people like you, who've worked hard, saved consistently, and don't want to see your wealth vanish, there's a powerful solution that most retirees still don't fully understand: the gold IRA. Now, before we go further, let me go back to David, the engineer I mentioned earlier. David spent 40 years building a rock-solid career. But when Silicon Valley Bank collapsed and the Fed announced it might pause rate cuts while inflation stayed high, he realized something chilling. If the market tanks again, I'm on the hook, and no one's coming to save me. So David made a decision. He rolled over $842,000 from his IRA, not all of it, just a portion, into a self-directed gold IRA. No, he didn't get some free silver gimmick, no high-pressure calls, just a quick, education-first conversation and a free guide. Now, he's got peace of mind. His gold is safely stored, fully insured, and completely outside the stock market. And here's the kicker. His story started with the free info you'll find at the link in the description. So what is a gold IRA really? It's a special type of self-directed IRA that allows you to hold physical gold and other precious metals as part of your retirement portfolio. And yes, it's 100% IRS approved. Here's why wealthy retirees are turning to it in droves. Hedge against inflation. When the dollar weakens, gold historically strengthens. During the 1970s inflation surge, gold rose over 1,300%. True diversification. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are all paper assets. A gold IRA brings real, tangible value into your portfolio. Control and privacy. You choose your metals. You choose your storage. You stay in the driver's seat, unlike with mutual fund managers or volatile ETFs. But more than anything, it's about legacy. People like David aren't just investing for growth. They're preserving wealth to pass on. They want to leave behind something real, not just a digital number on a brokerage screen. So, if you're over 55, have $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, and you've been feeling that gut check lately, the one that whispers, you should protect this, then don't wait. Click the link in the description and get your free gold IRA guide. No cost, no pressure, just straight talk from a real specialist who will walk you through whether it's a good fit. Because here's the truth. The smartest move you can make right now might be simply learning your options. And whether you end up opening a gold IRA or not, at least you'll be making decisions from a place of power, not fear. You've earned your retirement. You've earned your wealth. Now it's time to protect it. Get the free guide, take the call, and let this be the moment your story changes, just like David's did.